Beautiful and attractive chiropracticist Rosaline welcomes her clients into her inviting clinic where each visit feels more like a personal journey to wellness. As she listens intently to her patients, Rosaline embodies compassion and professionalism, ensuring that every individual feels heard and valued. Inspiring her clients, Rosaline integrates wellness routines into their lives, allowing them to embrace not just chiropractic care but a healthier lifestyle overall. Every success story brings joy to Rosaline, as she believes in the power of collaboration between her and her patients on their journey to better health. Passionate about her profession, Rosaline actively participates in community events, spreading awareness about the benefits of chiropractic care to those around her. Through workshops and shared knowledge, Rosaline empowers individuals to take charge of their health, fostering a supportive environment among her team and clients. The gratitude expressed by her patients fuels Rosaline's passion as she continues to educate and inspire those around her to pursue their wellness goals. Every assessment begins with Rosaline's attentive approach, ensuring that each patient feels informed and at ease as they embark on their healing journey. Understanding the importance of teamwork, Rosaline partners with other health professionals to provide comprehensive care, striving to achieve the best outcomes for her patients. Bringing her expertise outdoors, Rosaline encourages community involvement and celebrates the personal triumphs of her patients, reinforcing the bond they share. With a commitment to continuous improvement, Rosaline meticulously tracks her patients' progress, ensuring that every adjustment leads to meaningful change. Sharing her knowledge at conferences, Rosaline inspires her peers while promoting a holistic approach that bridges traditional and modern health practices. In every follow-up, Rosaline celebrates her patients' achievements, reinforcing her supportive role in their lifelong commitment to health and well-being. Embracing technology, Rosaline reaches far beyond her clinic's walls, connecting with fellow practitioners and educating young minds about the benefits of chiropractic care. Investing in the next generation of chiropractors, Rosaline shares her knowledge and experiences, fostering a sense of community and learning in her practice. Marking milestones is important to Rosaline as she recognizes the collective efforts of her team and the cherished relationships built with her patients through time. In her quest to promote overall wellness, Rosaline emphasizes the mental health benefits of chiropractic care, fostering a supportive environment for all. Connecting through social media, Rosaline ensures that valuable information is accessible to everyone, reinforcing her dedication to community education and support. Engaging with the community around her, Rosaline promotes wellness beyond the clinic's walls, demonstrating her dedication to both health and social responsibility. By collaborating with other health professionals, Rosaline not only expands her impact, but also fosters a culture of teamwork aimed at improving patient outcomes. Dedicated to enhancing the quality of life for all ages, Rosaline actively engages seniors in health education and encourages nutritious lifestyles through hands-on activities. Embracing the spirit of community, Rosaline finds innovative ways to promote wellness through remote engagement and joyous celebrations with those she serves. Committed to excellence in care, Rosaline invests in her team's growth, while cherishing the individual connections she builds with her patients. At the forefront of community health initiatives, Rosaline focuses on providing resources and inspiration that empower individuals to take charge of their well-being. By reaching out to younger generations, Rosaline instills the values of health and fitness early on, cultivating a culture of wellness that extends far beyond her clinic. Promoting mental clarity and relaxation, Rosaline incorporates holistic approaches to health, ensuring that her patients receive comprehensive support for both body and mind. Continuing her pursuit of personal growth, Rosaline seeks out new experiences while celebrating the milestones of her patients, reinforcing the community spirit she values. Embracing technology to enhance patient engagement, Rosaline creates tools that empower individuals to take control of their health while nurturing a supportive space for shared experiences. Driven to improve workplace wellness, Rosaline collaborates with local enterprises, ensuring that everyone has access to the tools and support needed for a healthy lifestyle. Focusing on emotional well-being, Rosaline provides valuable tools for managing stress, cultivating a compassionate atmosphere where deep connections flourish. Through active participation in health events, Rosaline spreads her message far and wide while attentively listening to her patients' needs for ongoing enhancement of her services. Committed to enriching her community, Rosaline creates opportunities for families to engage in health education, celebrating achievements that inspire the next generation to prioritize their well-being. By offering diverse wellness activities, Rosaline creates an inclusive environment where individuals can explore new paths to health, reflecting her dedication to sharing knowledge and fostering community connections. Through interactive discussions, Rosaline educates youth about self-care practices while promoting the importance of healthy eating, inspiring them to make informed lifestyle choices. By joining forces with culinary experts, Rosaline empowers families to take charge of their nutrition while engaging children in playful activity that fosters a love for movement. Encouraging her patients to dream big, Rosaline guides them through the process of envisioning their health journeys, reinforcing her commitment to personalized care for individuals of every generation. Embodying the spirit of community involvement, Rosaline actively supports local events while providing resources that inspire her patients to continue their journey toward better health.